Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Particle diagrams and net ionic equations can feel sneaky, but this one breaks quickly if you compare what each representation includes and leaves out. First, think about the net ionic equation for this precipitation reaction. It only keeps the ions that actually change and form the solid product, not every ion floating in solution. That means spectator ions, like the ions that stay dissolved and unchanged, get removed from the net ionic equation because they are not directly involved in making the precipitate. In contrast, the particle diagram shows all particles present, including the unchanged spectator ions, so the best comparison is that only the diagram includes them. Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, rushing past what is shown. Rule, trust the given diagram and check which ions actually change.